So basically, since 11 a.m. I've had a freaking pounding headache, so I'm gonna have to see you guys tomorrow for this vlog. Now I know I look like crap, let me turn my light on. This is the next day now, as I mentioned earlier on the vlog before the intro. Yesterday, or today for you guys, from 11 a.m. until I went to sleep at like 12 p.m. Well, wait, would that be 12 p.m.? 12 midnight. I had a freaking pounding headache, and it was just causing me not to be able to do anything. I mean, I managed to cope through work, and then it just got worse as I got home. So I laid on my bed for 2.5 hours, I believe. Thanks! You could stop. I can't even tell if they're mowing the lawn or what. But, yeah, I laid on my bed for a while. I kind of fell asleep, I think. Also, my hair is a mess right now, but that's because I haven't showered yet. And then I ate my dinner, like, pretty late, like, maybe 8:30-ish. And then I came upstairs and I laid down. Well, I set an upload going because that wasn't going to be up in time because I hadn't been able to render it the night before because the render failed overnight. Well, sorry, my laptop restarted overnight. So I got yesterday's upload up, and then I watched Iron Man 3, and then I went to bed. And luckily my headache is gone this morning, well, tomorrow for you guys, but yeah, I just wanted to fill you in. As for what I did yesterday, not a whole lot. It was another go into college, do work, and come home. Oh, go to work and then come home day. So that's it. Hopefully today or tomorrow is more interesting. Could you not? Anyway, thank you all for watching. Stay tuned for tomorrow, and I'll see you guys then. Oh, that was a hiccup and a half.